video. This is a video of our first purple flag experience, and if you remember in the past, we had our pink flag. You can watch that video right here in Korea.
We are in the Tuscany region, and we are going to a winery.
And before we do anything, make sure you
subscribe, rate, and review. We're at a gas station. Get one, but Mary and Alexis did. They have an espresso machine in the gas station. Yeah, what kind did you get?
I got vanilla.
What would you rate it?
Out of all of the espresso I've had in Italy, maybe like a 7.
Oh yeah, we learned this today on YouTube. I couldn't record you and now you can record me.
We woke up late.
Very late, like 11. We are getting ready to go to, I about said Venice. We're not in Venice. Florence.
It was supposed to be a pool day, but it is pretty chilly. It's not pool weather, and the pool's not even open.
Yeah, very much closed. But that's okay. We're gonna have a fun day. It was kind of nice to just talk and chill and hang. And then we have a cooking class tonight.
But stay tuned.
It's Bill! Florence Bill!
Benvenuti a questa experience in casa di Francesca. Oggi faremo la pasta fresca con l'uovo e gli gnocchi di patate.
Everything.
How long does it take to cook the gnocchi? Gnocchi.
Drifted to the bottom in 10, 15 seconds, 20.
Sì.
It floats to the top, done. Tutto fatto.
Pillow gnocchi for sure. The pillow gnocchi. Oh. Pillow gnocchi for sure.
Gnocchi.
I really don't know. I might pick the
Pesto spaghetti.
Probably the skinny spaghettis.
I'm torn between the gnocchi and the ravioli, but I think I might pick the ravioli.
The ravioli.
Not the vibe I was expecting, and exactly what we needed.
Oh, I had the best time. Ideal. Coming back as soon as possible.
Speechless, honestly, speechless.
Going to a winery. Is this one right, Pinko?
The pig? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get. It's really good.
Also the owl is good too.
I think. Oh, I can't say this one.
I'm not so.
What's your favorite?
Oh gosh, I don't know. That's a really hard question. I think the white one, just because I just took a sip.
The Cugino.
All of the above, yes.
All of the above, obviously. The panazzo. I really like the Gigetto as well.
All of the above. Gigetto maybe.
Welcome to day 3, final day.
We are in the Tuscany region.
Well, we're gonna go to lunch and then head home.
Oh, this is good.
High of the weekend is the cooking class.
Staying up till 4 in the morning trying to do splits, as if I could do that in the first place.
Yeah, first night game night, late nights are always fun, and the cooking class was dope.
The cooking class and the wine tasting.
Well, my high, I don't know, this was really great in the cooking class. I had a lot of fun making the pasta.
I would say the cooking class. Really cute raviolis.
The low of the weekend is the blowout during the wine tasting.
The car ride on the windy road.
Yeah, that's true. I didn't think I had a low.
All right, well, thanks for following along.